Alright, we're back. Test light. Put that down to the frame down there. Get that nut down there and sell your frame. Once you put the foot peg down, you got better option. Or put the switch down.
There we go.
Okay. Red's hot, see?
Yep.
You know I know it's hot?
It's lighting up.
The light's on.
So that would go to battery?
Yes.
Okay.
Damn, you're smart.
Whew. Figuring this out fast, aren't we?
Yeah. No wind and no clouds today. Just cold as hell.
Good writing day.
It said 56 on the computer. Feels like it. Good for you, you got gloves. My hands get cold.
Okay.
Be the one that says B on it.
Okay.
Don't tighten it yet.
Okay.
Don't tighten it yet.
So we can adjust it around.
You got it. Just bring it down until it
Okay.
just touches it, but it's got a little drag on it. No, we can move it, but it'll stay wherever you put it.
Yeah. Okay. All right, now next is ignition.
Your call. Take the green one, which we think is lights, all right? Touch the red wire. See if the headlight comes on. The light's on. Touch the other one to it. No light. Are you touching it?
Yep.
No light. I would say the one that doesn't work is not the light one.
Okay.
Ah, that is hard. I might need it down there. Ah. So was the green one had the light wire?
Yep.
There you go, lights.
All right.
These are pretty common ways of figuring things out, see? No wiring schematic needed. You only got three wires. Can't be that many combinations.
Right.
So I did the ignition switch on the soft tail. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, your gasket came off. Don't lose your gasket. They don't come with any ignitions.
Came right here.
Yeah, no. Just leave it there until you need it.
Okay.
Okay, put that one off the side because it goes right over here at the post. Okay, now you got room for the other one to go in the middle.
Strangely, they only sent 2 bolts. Or 2
screws? You got 3 screws.
Yeah, I know. It only came with 2 though. Oh,
One
strange.
is missing.
Yeah.
Did it vibrate out? Are they the same Mexican thread?
Hopefully.
China thread on
Turns
one.
out it is.
Oh, good. Good thing, because you didn't have a bolt. Must have fell out of the package because they come with them. Okay, so lay it up in here. Take the key out. Figure out where you want that to be. You got a bit of torque on the wires so they'll stay put when you put them where you got them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so put the switch up where you want it to be. It's a lot of torque, whatever. See if you can wiggle it.
Yeah, everybody moves.
Okay, that's what you want. I'm gonna pull a nut off. What do you want the key to be? Straight up, sideways, front to
I like it
back?
to be up.
Okay.
We'll see how that.
Should be a flat spot on there, so it has to match no matter what that is.
Yep,
It's gonna go
there.
forward a little bit. Let's go forward a little. Yep, about 11 o'clock position.
There we go.
Okay, so now move the wires back to where you think they're gonna be. Where you want they're gonna be best. Got an idea about where they're at?
Yeah, that looks probably about right there.
So, go ahead and pull the switch out. Try not to move the wires too much. And tighten them up. Remember the hot one's got full power to it right now, so it'll arc that tank. Good time to put a rag right here to protect yourself. But see, that red one's going to be hot whenever we get to it. That one's going to be hot, so I'll keep it off the tank. Right.
That just fell off of there.
Get off my knee. Get off my knee. Hurts. You know, some of my new boots get all torn up. See? Being on my hands and knees all the time. I can't see with your fat hands. Can you do that job without putting your hands in the front?
This obviously has a specialty tool that you put on.
Yeah,
there.
which nobody ever has. Never seen it. Squeeze really hard, don't slip. That looks good. I think that's a specialty tool right there.
There it is.
That's the one.
Mission lights.
Not yet.
I hope so.
Turn the light on? No, it's on there. How come it didn't work the other time? No light there. That's light. So you missing a beam now?
It's that goofy light, but it's usually backwards so that it doesn't like. Usually doesn't like.
It's on now.
That's high. That's low.
No light.
Usually doesn't like low. I can chase that later.
Okay.
So it's daytime. Hi, baby doll.